How to add friends on your Twitch app, be it from your browser or from your desktop app or from your mobile app. In this video, we're about to discuss the ways on how we can add a friend. So simply make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, we're going to simply open any of the browser which you have on our device. And in the search box, we want to simply go to twitch.tv. Once you go to twitch.tv, make sure that you are logged into your account. And after you are logged in, you can see this is how the home interface of the website is actually going to look like. Now previously the case was that here on the left hand side you would be able to see a list of all the recommended friends, and in order to add them as a friend you would see a friend request icon here at the left hand side. But now it has actually been switched to recommended channels button right over here, and there is no way that you could actually add friends on Twitch right now. That is because Twitch actually got rid of this feature just recently. Let me open and show you an article by the Twitch official website itself. You can see that it says this feature will be removed from the mobile app on May 16 and twitch.tv on May 25, 2022. So you can see the date of today is actually 18th of June 2022, which means it was almost a month before Twitch actually got rid of this feature. And after that date, your friends list and the ability to see which of your friends are online will no longer be available, and you can see that we don't even have the option to actually add a friend request. However, there is an alternative solution which you can do, and that is to actually here on the top right hand side you will be able to see this whispers button. In order to add a friend, or actually in order to add a friend, you can only actually chat or send a whisper to somebody. For example, let me go ahead and select any of the people right over here. You can see that, let's say these are some of the people whom we want to add as a friend. Even if we tap on the settings icon, you only have the option to actually go to their channel, and you will only actually have to follow this person in order to keep update about this person. There is no way you could actually add as a friend because Twitch recently got rid of this feature. You can see right over here it also says how to add and find and add a friend, but these options no longer work because Twitch has actually been updated recently, so there is no way you could actually search them for now. We hope this video was really helpful and gave you some insights on what you can do if you're not being able to send or add friends on the Twitch app. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, also simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.